Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I would like to introduce you to a brand new series I'll be making in the upcoming year, and it is called the 12 Days of Christmas Felt Decorations. I will be following this book by Corinne Lapierre. It is called 12 Days of Christmas Felt Decorations, and I will be making the ornaments using her patterns. This book has such beautiful designs and very easy to follow instructions, so I hope you join me and make this with me. I will leave the link in the description box below so you can purchase the book as well. I already made the whole set of ornaments, and here's my basket. My very favorite is the French hen, but they're all so cute. I mean, look at them. Well, I hope you like them and I hope you join me on this journey. And before we start, I would like to talk to you a little bit about the supplies so you know what you need. But make sure to stick around to the end because I have a surprise for you. For this project, we are going to need felt in different colors. I ordered these on Amazon and I will leave the link in the description box below if you would like to purchase the same colors. We'll also need thread in different colors, stuffing, double-sided tape, needle. I am going to be using this heat erasable marker to mark some of the designs so it's easier for me to sew it on, a sharp pair of scissors, ribbon, this one is 1/8 inch wide, and the book I already mentioned earlier. The book contains the pattern you'll need to make these ornaments, and you can just cut it out from the book, but I hate to destroy it, so what I did instead is I copied over those pages and I'll be using them so I can leave my book intact. We are going to need stuffing to make these ornaments nice and plump, and you can purchase some on Amazon or at the craft store. But what I like to do is I save the scrap pieces of the felt and I cut them up in smaller pieces and I use those to stuff the ornament as well. This way I have less waste and I save some money. To make this line look nice and neat, sometimes you need to mark them on the felt. And to do that, I'm using these heat erasable markers. They come in different colors. I have a red and a blue one, but I also have a white and a black one. The way they work is you just mark your pattern on the felt and then sew on top of that. Once you're ready to remove the marker, you'll just need to apply some heat. You can use an iron and on the lowest setting, just apply a little bit of heat and the markings disappear. Just be careful if you are using a lesser quality felt that has more synthetic materials in it. You don't want your felt to melt. But there is a different solution and you can use a hairdryer instead. I am just marking a few spots on the felt so I can demonstrate how it works. Just apply a little bit of heat from your hairdryer and the lines magically disappear. Isn't that cool? And now to the surprise. I would like to do a giveaway at the end of the series, and the prize is going to be the whole set of the ornaments I am going to be making in this series. So if you would like to win them, please make sure to read the rules in the description box below. And good luck! Thank you so much for joining me today. I can't wait to start this journey with you. The very first video is coming out soon, so if you don't want to miss it, make sure to subscribe. And until next time, happy crafting!